Hi, I'm Amanda Richards.
And I'm Randall Richards, and welcome to Mountain Spirit New Zealand. You can find us nestled under Mount Grandview, about 15 to 20 minutes from Wanaka, on the South Island of New Zealand.
We're an off-the-grid, secluded sanctuary, and our intention is that the special space encourages deeper connection to each other, to nature, and to oneself.
We feel fortunate to be stewards of this land, the organic garden that we've created, and the 111 fruit and nut trees that were planted some 20 years ago. And we feel grateful and excited to share it with all of you.
Being off the grid, complete with solar panels and gravity-fed water from a mountain spring, means that you can really unplug, unwind, relax, and reconnect.
And yes, we do have excellent internet connection, but usually we turn it off during the sleeping hours. At Mountain Spirit, we run a variety of retreats, workshops, and experiential programs, some of which include sailing on Lake Wanaka and hiking the beautiful mountains, and even rock climbing. And we also host B&B guests in our unique cabins, the teepee, and the yurt. We also have a grand piano studio for practicing or recording.
For accommodation, there's the large sleep out, completely renovated with a private porch, an outside kitchen, and spectacular views. We also have a little cabin which is perfect for extended family.
The yurt, the highest point on the property, is a round, spacious place. You can lie and watch the stars through the dome at night, or sit on the front steps and watch the sunset you'll never forget. Our teepee is a traditional Lakota Sioux teepee with a double wall liner which provides privacy, warmth, with a small wood-burning stove, and stays cool even the hottest days.
We've had some wonderful reviews about the spectacular views here, the feeling of the place, and we think that you'll feel it too. People have also commented on the quality of sleep that they get here at Mountain Spirit.
Each season offers something special, whether you're here for skiing, snowboarding, sailing, or climbing the nearby mountains, or just want to soak up the beauty of nature, off the beaten path and off the grid.
Whether you're just looking for a place to stay and unwind, or would like to participate in one of our programs, workshops, or weekly yin, yoga, and meditation classes, here is a place that you can unplug, unwind, and reconnect, feeling supported by these beautiful mountains, lakes, and rivers of our surrounding nature. We invite you to come and join us.